When comparing DeepSeek and ChatGPT from a technical perspective, several key factors come into play, including architecture, capabilities, performance, and use cases. Below is a detailed technical comparison to help you understand the differences and strengths of each AI system. Do not forget to subscribe. 1. Architecture and model design. DeepSeek is likely built on a transformer-based architecture, with proprietary enhancements for context understanding and personalization. It is trained on diverse datasets, with a focus on real-time learning and adaptability. DeepSeek emphasizes fine-tuning for specific industries, tasks, and user preferences, and potentially has a larger context window for better long-term memory and coherence. On the other hand, ChatGPT is based on OpenAI's GPT architecture, specifically GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. It is trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet, books, and other sources, up to its knowledge cutoff date. ChatGPT is fine-tuned for general-purpose tasks, with limited customization for specific use cases, and has a context window limited by token count. 2. Capabilities. DeepSeek excels at understanding nuanced context, tone, and intent, and adapts to user preferences over time. It is designed to learn and adapt in real time, based on user interactions, and potentially supports multimodal inputs for richer interactions. DeepSeek seamlessly integrates with third-party apps, devices, and APIs for enhanced functionality. In contrast, ChatGPT has strong contextual understanding, but may struggle with highly nuanced or personalized queries. It is a static model that does not learn or adapt after deployment, and is primarily text-based, with limited support for multimodal inputs. ChatGPT has limited integration capabilities unless paired with external tools or APIs. 3. Performance. DeepSeek provides highly personalized and context-aware responses tailored to user needs. It is optimized for fast, real-time interactions with low latency and has high accuracy due to real-time learning and adaptability. DeepSeek also has advanced error correction and clarification mechanisms for ambiguous queries. ChatGPT, on the other hand, offers high-quality responses, but may lack personalization or deep contextual understanding. It has fast response times, but may slow down with complex queries or high server loads. ChatGPT has high accuracy, but may produce outdated or generic responses for niche topics, and may require user rephrasing or additional prompts for clarification. 4. Use cases. DeepSeek is ideal for personalized applications like virtual assistants, customer support, and education. It offers tailored solutions for industries like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce, and is designed for scalability in enterprise environments with high user demand. DeepSeek also offers robust APIs and SDKs for developers to build custom applications. ChatGPT is better suited for general-purpose tasks like content generation, brainstorming, and casual conversation. It has limited industry-specific customization without additional fine-tuning and is scalable, but may require additional infrastructure for enterprise-level deployment. ChatGPT provides APIs, but may require more effort for deep customization. 5. Limitations. DeepSeek is continuously updated with real-time data, reducing reliance on a fixed cutoff. It actively mitigates biases through advanced training and real-time feedback, but may have a higher cost due to advanced features and real-time learning. ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff, limiting access to recent information. It may exhibit biases present in training data, with limited post-training correction, but is more cost-effective for general-purpose use. 6. Key differentiators. DeepSeek offers real-time learning and adaptability, superior personalization, and contextual understanding, seamless integration with third-party tools and devices, and industry-specific solutions and scalability. ChatGPT is a proven general-purpose AI with a strong track record, cost-effective for casual or non-specialized use cases, and has wide adoption and extensive documentation for developers. 7. Conclusion. While ChatGPT remains a powerful and versatile AI tool for general-purpose tasks, DeepSeek stands out with its advanced personalization, real-time learning, and industry-specific capabilities. If you're looking for an AI that adapts to your unique needs and integrates seamlessly into your workflow, DeepSeek is the clear winner. However, for simpler, more generic tasks, ChatGPT remains a reliable and cost-effective option. Let me know if you'd like to dive deeper into any specific aspect. Do not forget to subscribe.